Hello, good morning student. Today my video of class 7th mathematics. We will solve exercise 3. Here the question number 1st, 2nd and 3rd all are same. So we will solve here the first question. 0.06 is equals to what? And the options are made here 3 by 5. The option B is 3 by 50. Option C is 3 by 500 and the option D is none of these. None of these. So student, when you are solving 0.06, for that we have to remove the decimal from here. Now when you remove decimal from here, 1 comes here. After decimal, how many digits are here? 2 digits. So we have to mark here 2 zeros. Now we have to reduce the terms here. 2 3 are 6 and 2 50 are 100. So the result will be 3 by 50. And the correct option is B. So B is the correct option. Now question number 4, 5 and 6 all are same. So we will solve here question number 6. In question number 6, 5 kg 6 gram is equal to what? And the options are here 5 decimal 0006 kg. In option B, 5 decimal 06 kg. In option C, 5 decimal 006 kg, and in option D, 5 decimal 6 kg. So students, 5 kg plus 6 gram that we have to convert. So 5 kg, and when we convert the gram into kilogram, we have to write 6 by 1000, because we know that 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram. So continue it. It is in kg. 5 kg. Now here 3 zeros are present. So before the digit we have to make here 3 digits. Now 00 and 6 we have to write. When we put 2 zeros before the 6, here 3 digits are completed. Now when we cut the 3 zeros, the result will be here decimal. So the 5 kg plus 0.006 kg. So the answer will be 5.006 kg. And the correct option is C here. Now question number 8, 9 and 10 all are same. So we will look here question number 10. In question number 10 it is given that what should be added? What should be added to 3.07 to get 3.5? Okay, and the options are here decimal 57, B decimal 34, C decimal 43, and D decimal 02. Now what, suppose this is not a decimal number, what should we add 3 to make it 5? Of course we have to subtract 3 from 5. Similarly that value we have to get, and what we have to add in this value. So we have to subtract this value from that value. The required number equals to 3.5 minus 3.07. Now also we have to make it like decimal. Now 10 minus 7, 3, and here 4. And so the answer is 0.43, and the correct option is C here. Now question number 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 all are same students here. So we will solve here question number 15. In question number 15 students, what we have to multiply? 1 decimal 1 into decimal 1 into decimal 01 is equal to what? That we have to multiply. 1 decimal 1 into decimal 1 into decimal 01 is equal to what? And the options are given here. The first option is decimal 011. Option B is decimal 0011. Option C is decimal 11, and option D is none of these. None of these. What we have to multiply here, students? 1 decimal 1 into decimal 1 into decimal 01. So just remove the decimals from here. 0 also. 11 1 ja 11 and 11 1 ja 11. We have written here. Now, after decimal, how many digits are here? 1 digit. After decimal, how many digits here? 1 digit. And after decimal, how many digits are here? 2 digits. So 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 4. Here 4 digits are required before decimal, but only 2 digits are here. So if we put 2 zeros here, then the value of this number will be increased. 11 to becomes it 1100. But if we are putting 2 zeros here, then the value of this number will be increased. No, the value will be same. So we have to put 2 zeros before the 11. So and now we have to keep the decimal here. Here after decimal 1, 1, 2 and 2, 4 digit. Also here the 4 digit before the after the decimal. So our correct answer is 0.0011 and the option is B is correct here. Now students, question number 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20 all are same. So before solving this question we have to clean this. So look here, question number 20. 89 decimal 1 is divided by 2 decimal 2 is equal to what? And the options are given here. The first option is 40 decimal 5. Option B is 4 decimal 05. Option C is 41. And option D is 41 decimal 5. These 4 options are given here, students. We have to solve. Now, what we have to divide? 89 decimal 1 by 2 decimal 2. Now, removing decimal from here, we are multiplying this term. How many after decimal? How many digits are here? 1 digit. So we are multiplying with it 10. With the same number, we are multiplying the dividend also. Now it becomes 891 or it becomes 22. Now we have to divide 22 with 891. Okay, students. Now 22 for the 88. So it cancel. What remains here? 9 minus 8. Now we will take 1 from here. After taking 1, the numbers formed by the digits is less than the 22. So we are marking a 0 here. Whenever you are taking a digit from the upper from the dividend and then the digit is less than the divisor, then we have to mark a 0 here. Now 11 is not able to divisible by 22, so we have to take a decimal here. Now what becomes here? 110. 22 5 is the 110. Okay, student. So the correct option is 40 decimal 5 and the option is A. The A option is correct, 40 decimal 5. Now in question number 21st, look here, question number 21st here. 0 decimal 5, we have to multiply with 0 decimal 0, 5 is equal to what? Here also 4 options are given, students. 0 decimal 25, 2 decimal 5, C, 0 decimal 025 and the option D is none of these. And the option D is none of these. Now the 4 options are given here, student. When 0 decimal 5 is multiplied with 0 decimal 05 is equal to what? And the options are here. 0 decimal 25, 2 decimal 5, 0 decimal 025 and none of these. Now for shortening it, we have to multiply 0 decimal 5 with 0 decimal 05. Okay, student. Now first you have to remove the decimal. Just to think there is no decimal here and multiply the similarly digits. 5 5 is the 25. Now keep the decimal here. After decimal, how many digits are, students, here? 1 digit. And after decimal, how many digits are here? 2 digits. So after decimal here 1 digit and after decimal here 2 digits. Total 1 and 2, 3 digits. Now we have to also make here 3 digits. So suppose we are taking 0 here, then the value of this number will be increased. It becomes 250 from 25. But if you are putting a 0 here, then is the value of this number increases? No. the value of this number will be not increase. Now here how many digits are available? 3 digits, and after decimal here how many digits? 2 here and 1 here, 3 digits. So we have to put the decimal here. So the answer will be, keep a 0 also here, 0.025, and the correct option is C. So students, in this way you can solve complete exercise 3. A lot of questions are similar to the given question, so I have not solved it. You have to solve it by your mind. Okay students, now in my next video we will start a new lesson. Thank you students.